what you mentioned.
The second lockdown that the states had, the recent one that all the states, most of the states are, Delhi has opened, Mumbai has opened up, Goa is still postponed the curfew that they say. Was it more evaluated by the state, considering the manufacturing, considering the industries, considering the constitute, the people basically? Was it a better evaluated decision than the first lockdown that we had, that we completely locked the entire country, pan India?
Yeah, absolutely. You're bang, and I completely agree with what you're asking for. Yes, of course. I think it was better evaluated. It was much better done. But you must also understand that the information that was available was significantly higher. The last time around, we didn't have that kind of information. So if you also know, initially what every country in the world did was procure ventilators and put people on ventilators, and that didn't work. Today they realize that the way to get people cured from COVID. Today COVID, if you diagnose it early, the survival rate is 100%. The problem is if you diagnose it late. Therefore, because they're able to see this, they know how the disease spreads better. They know what is the impact on what is herd immunity, what's likely to happen, mutant variables coming in. Therefore, I think the second lockdown was done way better. For example, groceries.
Yeah,
A
essentials.
lot of people came to the point of starvation because things were not available. That was done really well across the country. I think that they managed that well. So hoarding, so many challenges with their first time. I definitely think that they evaluated much better than the first time around.